Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm your host, Michelle Beltran, and this is the Intuitive Hour, Awaken Your Inner Voice. Thank you all so much for being here again for another episode. Our topic today is seeing your aura. So we actually radiate our feelings, our thoughts, and our spiritual awareness through our aura. Our aura is sometimes known as a visible mist of color and light that surrounds people and objects. You can actually cleanse your aura and your entire emotional energy body with deep breathing exercises, swimming, showering, or taking a purifying bath with sea salts. Water is a great conductor of energy and will help dissolve whatever negative emotions you might be feeling. Cleansing your aura daily will help to keep your energy clear. We're born with the natural ability to see auras, but we tend to lose this ability as we get older. It's not considered a normal ability in our culture, so children grow up thinking there's something wrong with their eyesight and suppress their ability to see the aura. You can rediscover that ability, however. Relax as you practice this and don't have any preconceived notions about what an aura will look like. Some people see a golden glow around people and objects. Others see different colors or different levels of light. Whatever you see is fine. Trust that. As you develop this ability, don't be surprised if you find that you can see auras peripherally. Many psychically sensitive people see visiting spirits in a peripheral way. This is because our logical left brain does not rule our peripheral vision the way it does our straight-ahead vision. Do keep in mind that the aura will be most visible at its core, which is inside the body and extending to an inch or two outside of it. All right, I want to leave you today with a few tips so that you can access and begin seeing auras. First and foremost, you want to be in a quiet space. Take a few moments to say a prayer and quiet your mind. Set the busyness of life and the mind chatter aside and make an agreement you'll come back to that when you're done. Okay, so the first step is to soften your gaze. Relax your eyes. Be gentle and light in your eye space. Relax your hands and hold them out in front of you, resting on your lap, palms facing up. Now, concentrate for a minute on an object. Any object. See it out in front of you in your mind's eye. A salt shaker, a pen, one of your hands, for example. A very simple object. Concentrate on it for 60 seconds. Take in that object and all the space around it. Notice the detail, the color, the shape. Concentrate and focus on that object. Next, relax and look away. you'll probably see a sort of impression in the air left by that object. You'll see both the object and the aura around it. There will be a sort of haze or fuzzy space around where the object was. Keeping your gaze softened and relaxed, look back at that object. Try to see the haze around it. You may only see it in your mind's eye at first, rather than your physical eyes, which is fine. You'll now want to begin practicing this on people and objects by softening your eyes and looking at them, not directly, but taking in the entire scene therein at once. Or you might look at someone's nose and forehead. The aura can then become visible to you peripherally. Your only work now is to keep practicing, knowing this is a natural ability you already have, and that it will come back to you.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour with Michelle Beltran. If you like what you heard, please share our podcast with a friend, and be sure to visit michellebeltran.com to get Michelle's popular Develop Your Clairvoyance ebook.